So Adam, KJE Engineering, what do you do here?
I'm the setter operator of all the lathes, CNC lathes.
And you've recently purchased this C620 from Romi. You've had previous machines from Romi, so why did you get the new one?
Like for like, basically. They're both good company, good feedback off them, and they're solid machines. Easy to program, easy to teach people.
And you've had the first one 4 years ago. So presumably over that time you've had training, maybe the machine's broken down. So how do they respond?
Here the next day. If not, they ain't long behind.
And if you look around the shop, you've got a lot of FANUC controls. These are Siemens. How do you compare the two?
A lot less time programming. A lot less time programming, a lot easier. You CAD stuff out on here rather than going and sitting down at a computer CADing. It's just so quick and easy to program.
And what type of materials are you cutting on these machines?
Mostly stainless and aluminium. A bit of plastic, but mostly ali and stainless.
And what is it you like about the machines? You know, what are your favourite aspects of the machine?
Just how easy they are to use. They're really solid, you can take good deep cuts, and yeah, it's just so easy.
So you talk about easy to use. You know, a lot of engineers, when a FANUC maybe or a Heidenhain user, they don't like changing. So how easy was it to go from FANUC to Siemens?
Straightforward. It's just plot a graph and you can simulate everything. I'm used to FANUC, but these I picked it up within a day.
So when you look for more lathes, are Romi going to be at the top of that list maybe?
Yeah, very. They're a brilliant company to buy it from. The after sales are brilliant. The maintenance, brilliant. And it's just so straightforward. Easy company.